for you guys. Today I'll be working with other two Pixi palettes that I didn't get a chance to use in my last video for you guys. My makeup soul is so satisfied the way this look turned out. It is so beautiful, so girly, so everyday yet so party-like, and it also has a little bit of drama happening with those dots on the lower lash line. So when I applied the lower lash line, it actually looked like those dots. So I decided to just draw them on with the liner, and I just love the way it looks. It just looks a little bit more dramatic than your normal makeup look. So I hope you guys are excited. I'm very pumped up about this look. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply e.l.f. Cosmetics wax pencil real quick onto my brows. They have been a little too lengthy and not easy to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and start out with Cosmic Beauty Drops as well as Glow Baby Booster Serum. I'm going to go ahead and apply it. These are by Pacifica Beauty, and you guys, I have really been loving using them and applying them on a daily basis for my good skincare routine. Just in case if you guys are wondering, I did use my Benefit Browsing's Pro palette in medium to deep shade to do my brows today, and then I carved it out using the Profusion Concealer palette. My lips are a little dry, so I'm going to go ahead and go for QMS. This is their Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that a little bit and go for the Touch in Soul No Pore Blend Primer. Absolutely love this primer, you guys. I'm going to go and apply it wherever I do have pores that I want to hide or blur them out. To create a dewy canvas, I'm going to go ahead and take Catrice Cosmetics Light Correcting Serum Primer in shade Sunlight, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. Yeah, it squirted a little too much out on that side, and just going to go ahead and blend it out with the spoon brush. For the foundation, you guys, I'll be taking Marc Jacobs Foundation in Golden Deep and NC40 in Studio Fix Fluid by MAC Cosmetics. I always like to mix something together with a MAC Cosmetics foundation just to have a little bit more coverage for me, and I absolutely love the way these two foundations work today. For the concealer and highlight, I'll be going for Kevyn Aucoin Concealer. This is their Sensual Skin Enhancer in XOXO is the shade, you guys. Just a little amount is all you need, and that is all I'm going to work with. And as you guys can see, this is all it's going to be needed for highlight, coverage, everything. And I'm just going to simply go with my beauty blender and blend it out. And I seriously did not have to go back with anything else on top of it, and I absolutely love it. Yes, this concealer is very bougie. It is very expensive, but this is all you need. So to set this concealer in place, I'll be reaching for Huda Beauty. This is in shade Banana Bread. This is their Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. And I'm going to go ahead and take it very lightly onto a tapered brush. This one's by Crown Brushes, and apply it wherever I use the concealer. To set the foundation, I'll be taking the Hello Flawless by Benefit Cosmetics. The shade I have here is Champagne, and I'm going to go ahead and take that onto a Morphe fluffy brush, and I'm going to take it just 1 or 2 times the most, and then just dab it right all over the face. And you guys, absolutely love not using so much powder lately, even though it is summer, but I really feel like my face glows so good and my makeup lasts as well. For the bronzer, I'll be taking Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer in shade Tantric, and I'm going to go ahead and take that onto my favorite Sigma fluffy brush. I usually take a brightening powder from my contour kit, but today we'll be reaching for Wet n Wild Color Icon. This is a bronzer in shade Reserve Your Cabana, which is so good, you guys. I forgot I haven't reached for it in a while, and that's why this is the oh my gosh impression of mine, because I really am thoroughly enjoying it. It has so very fine pearls like effect to it, so it really makes your skin glow, and it gives your skin texture a very smooth finish. For the blush, I'll be taking Pixi Honey Nectar palette, and I'll be reaching for the shade called Nectar, which is that bright pop of pink in there. I'm going to go and apply that as my blush today. Alright you guys, I seriously forgot to do the contour today. I was really planning on using a cream contour stick by Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, and I totally forgot about it. So I'm just going to reach for something that is laying around on my desk. It is Catrice Cosmetics Filter in a Box. This is their Photo Perfect Finishing Palette. I am taking this darker cool tone from it to contour today. Even though I forgot to contour, I do want to admit it that I am enjoying every bit of my makeup look today, because I absolutely love this girly, very calm contour, but then I have more blush going on. I'm just loving it. Alright you guys, this is the palette that we'll be working with today. It's called Rosette Ray by Pixi Beauty. And before we get on to it, I'm going to go ahead and prep my eyes using e.l.f. Cosmetics HD Lifting Concealer, and I'm going to blend it out using my beauty blender. The first shade I'll be reaching for is very beautiful matte rose color, and I'm going to go ahead and take that onto a fluffy blending brush and apply that into my crease. I'll be going back and forth to my like, and I'm going to pack it on top of one layer another, just to make sure that I have the depth and the color that I want. This shadow was very beautiful. It blended so beautifully without any problem. I'm going to go and take the next shade called Berry, and I'm taking that onto a pointed blending brush, and I'm going to go and apply that into the crease and a little bit onto the outer lid, and this is going to give us a little bit more on the depth, and then taking a clean blending brush to blend out the outer edges. Now going back to the palette, I'm going to go and take this beautiful metallic shade called Wine, taking that onto a Sigma shading brush, and I'm going to go and pack that like mid-center of my lid and apply it to my light. If you have any fallouts, which as you guys can see that I definitely have fallouts, so I did have my stippling brush handy, and I did make sure that I clean it as I go because I don't want anything to sit there for a very long time. I am now taking the shade called Glow, and I'm going to go and apply that towards my inner corner lid, and that is going to give me a little bit more brightening effect, and it is going to make me very bold and glammed eye look. I will now be going for the shade called Ice. I'm going to go and take that onto a pencil brush, and I'm going to pop that right into my inner corner for some much needed pop-up highlight. Going back to the French Rose onto the blending brush, I'm going to go and pack that onto my lower lash line. I will now be going to take the shade called Berry again, and this time I'll be taking that onto a pencil brush, and I'm going to go and pack that towards the outer and mid-center of my lash line. Taking a clean brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the outer edges to make everything look very smooth and even. I will now be taking the shade called Mushroom onto a smaller shading brush and pack that onto my lower lash line for some much needed smoky effect. I will be tight lining using NYX Cosmetics Black Pencil, and then applying a Pixi mascara to top and bottom lashes. For my bottom lashes, I definitely want to make sure that I tone down the mascara just a bit because I really want the individual lashes to stand out on its own. I am taking today Vegas Nay Eye Lower Lashes, and while my glue is getting tacky, I'm going to go and highlight my brow bone. For that, I'm taking the Ice eyeshadow from the Pixi palette onto a flat shading brush. I'm going to go and apply my falsies real quick, and today I will also be applying some individual lashes. They're also by Eye Lower, and I'm going to be going into the lengthwise, first short, then medium and long towards the outer corner. I will now be taking a liquid liner, and I'm going to go and create some dots onto my lower lash line wherever I have not applied the falsies, and this will give you the illusion of having falsies all throughout. I also like the way it looked because it really completed it. For the liquid lipstick, I'll be taking London Calling by NARS Cosmetics, and you guys, every time I use this lipstick, I always get asked for what color and brand every time. Very beautiful color. Going back to the Honey Nectar palette, I will be taking the shade called Honey, and I'm going to go and take that onto a crown stippling brush, and I'm going to go and apply that. You guys, it really makes me feel like I'm applying Whisper of Guilt by MAC Cosmetics. Very beautiful shade. To finish off this look, I'm taking Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. I'm going to go ahead and run that through. Every time I'm doing my makeup, I always have some sort of product onto my brows to make it look very light than what I started my makeup with. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it back to life again. Alright you guys, so this right here was the full face glam. I hope you guys had fun. Definitely give this video a thumbs up to let me know what do you think of this video, if you liked it or not. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is RC. I absolutely love makeup, and I'm sure you are too. That's why you're here. Definitely hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay tuned as to other videos are coming next on my channel. Other than that, I love you guys. Stay safe, be blessed, wear a mask, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.